Hey there! These are called lacing cards, sometimes known as sewing cards. And we use them at the library. We have versions that are made out of the heavy-duty cardboard, like the stop sign, and versions that are made out of heavy-duty foam, like our brightly colored shoes. So lacing cards are an activity that is very simple, but has a ton of early childhood development benefits. So let's get sciencey for just a second. Lacing cards help with both fine motor skills and visual perceptual skills. They develop hand-eye coordination. They work with visual scanning, which will assist kiddos with reading later on. They work on pincher grasp development, which are those tiny muscles that help kids pick up really small objects. And the super fancy sounding bilateral hand coordination, which is when kids utilize their dominant hand as the tool controller and the non-dominant hand as the assistant. So this little thing right here is doing a big job, but it doesn't have to cost you big money, because we are going to teach you how to make your own lacing cards at home with just these 4 items: a greeting card, glue, yarn, and a hole puncher. So here is what you're going to do. You're going to take any leftover greeting card of any kind. Maybe it is a happy birthday, maybe it's a season's greetings, maybe it's a get well soon, or this one is for my sister. And the first thing you're going to do is glue both flaps of the card together and let it dry. And that's what keeps it nice and sturdy. And then from there, you're going to take your hole puncher and you are going to punch holes in all 4 sides of the card around the edges. You're going to make them about 1 inch apart, and you're going to leave some space between the hole and the edge of the card, and that's to make sure that it doesn't tear very easily. And then you're going to take your yarn and you're going to cut about 2 feet of yarn is a good length to start with. It won't get tangled and be frustrating if it's that length. And so what you're going to do is you're going to tie one end of the yarn to any hole in the card, and if you want to make it even easier on the kiddo, you can take the other end and you can dip it in glue and then squeeze off the excess and let it dry, and it becomes a form of a safe needle. And then you can teach your kiddo how to go in and out and how to weave, and voila, you have your own lacing card. Or should I say, congratulations! Mwahaha. So there you have it, and on behalf of the Charlotte Mecklenburg Library, go forth and giggle.